Hi there, I'm Christy with WTI, and I want to share with you something that's literally cut my breakfast making time in half. This is the Presto electric griddle, and I don't know why I waited so long to get one of these because I love it. This measures just over 22 inches wide, so I can fit about 3 times the amount of food on here as I can when I cook breakfast on the stovetop. So many features that I love. This heats up really quick. The non-stick surface is high quality. It is truly non-stick. It's easy to clean. There's this nice drip tray for your grease, and we are bacon lovers in this house, so having that drip tray is nice. It makes for really easy cleanup. But the icing on the cake is that these handles are removable, so when you're done with this, it's really easy to store. One of the things I wanted to mention is that this does cook evenly. When I was trying to decide on which electric griddle to choose from, I noticed on this particular item, some of the reviews said it didn't cook evenly. That is not my experience. I think it cooks perfectly. My pancakes come out nice and toasty brown every single time. So if you are a huge breakfast fan like me, I know that you will quickly fall in love with this griddle. It's gonna make breakfast time even more enjoyable, and you can get to the good part a lot faster. And that's my point of view.